please? Welcome to the ending of another E-Day fix. You've burned the candle much too bright, but now you're out of wicks. Delusion can't last forever. It's time for the foretold crack up. You're not a genius. You're not that special. You don't matter. Give up. Oh, give up. You're just a loser. Depressing, but it's true. Give up. Sink into misery. I'm here with the bucket flu. You're way too damn ambitious. Your projects go too far. What made you think you could succeed? Who the hell do you think you are? One chance, yeah, it's a long shot, but I think I know how. Cut it and then rewind it. Premiere Pro, don't fail me now. If I don't save Camera Mary, we both will be burnt toast. I can only hope to get this right, then fix it all in post. Cut it! Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, hello! Have I stumbled upon the torturing? How delicious. I usually miss this part. Why are you both here? You've never both been here before. She's not supposed to be here. You shouldn't be able to hear her. It's after midnight. Is it? Why don't you look at the screen? Fuck 'em. Fuck your critics. Especially that one there. Fuck her. She's just an asshole. She ain't got half your dare. She acts all cool and edgy, but she's your biggest foe. A stooge for mediocrity, a slave to status quo. I'm trying to work here. Get lost. I guess somebody edited me back in. Wait, I remember you. You said I was a genius. You are not a genius. You're nothing. Stop confusing her with your bullshit, you goddamn liar. Liar? Me? I'm not the liar. You're the liar. But you can't both be telling the truth. Give up. You suck completely. Stop deluding her with lies. Give up. Concede you're hopeless. You've failed so many tries. She tells you you're a genius. You know that is not right. And if you think you are, then you are not too fucking bright. Fuck you. She is a genius. She's a poser and a dope. Her art will save the universe. Even you can't sell that trope. Your arrogance is astounding. Your hubris without peer. Now surrender to the fated pit of loathing, shame, and fear. You don't have to listen to her. Listen to me. Stay in fuck it mode forever. Stay in the world of beautiful delusion. Delusion? Is that what you want? Why can't you just accept that you're ordinary? You create stupid, self-indulgent crap like everybody else. Wake up, accept reality. Reality? Fuck reality. Reality sucks. Fuck her. Fuck everybody. Never doubt that you're the one. The master, disaster crafter. Heaven's chosen champion. You aren't good at nothing. You're perfect in every way. So telling her these lies that keep reality at bay. I don't know who to listen to. You're both so loud. Fuck it, or should I give up? I don't know how to choose. Fuck it, or should I give up? Either way I lose. You're both completely awful. You're both completely wrong. It's time I wrote a different end to this stupid fucking song. Fuck it. So it's imperfect. Perfection is a lie. I'll give up on being critical. What's important is that I tried. My stitching's kinda funky. Not too bad for an aging goth. I accept it. I give it value. So you can both fuck off. Phew. Christ, what a couple of assholes. Editing Mary! Yeah, boss? Excellent work. You had my back this whole time. I'd say you earned some cake. Well, that's it for this season of Stitchin with Salt. Now, I haven't finished it. I still have beats to add. I've been spending all my time doing musicals. What do you want from me? But I will finish it over the next week or so, whatever. Add a lot of beads. Finish the back. I mean, there's a lot of fussy stuff I gotta do. I don't want to mess around with all that on camera. I mean, I could, but musicals are more fun. Anyway, I'll do all that. And then I will post an epilogue. And on the epilogue, I will do a tarot reading. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for putting up with my bullshit. Bye! Because I'm a performing monkey in a candy-colored fishbowl. That's it! I'm gonna do another take on this. Thank you for watching. Stitching with Salt. Season 1.